Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. Wanted to tell you a little bit about a snack that I picked up from my Trader Joe's, but don't worry, if you guys don't have Trader Joe's by you, you can order these online. They're super delicious. They're yummy crackers. These are 3-seed sweet potato crackers. I just want to start off by saying I don't normally like sweet potatoes at all, so I am shocked that I like these. I think it's because they're light and they don't have a heavily sweet potato flavor. Like, they're just more on the light side and they're super yummy. So these 3-seed sweet potato crackers by Trader Joe's, they're really good. I just want to show you guys like the texture of them. And they're super crunchy, light, and not too thick. The net weight is 6.5 ounces or 184 grams, and they are kosher and gluten-free. So super yummy. You could do, they're very versatile. My mother-in-law went away. She went to, forget wherever, I think Texas, wherever they have Joanna and Chip Gaines, like their place, and she bought this artichoke dip, and the artichoke dip went amazing on these crackers. I'm telling you, it was like the best thing ever. So if you ever try these crackers, get some artichoke dip to go with it. Trader Joe's TJ's memo on the sweet potato, top them. So this here in the photo looks like some onion, some kind of cheese, tomato. Can't tell what kind of cheese that is because it has like, looks like black pieces in it. Maybe it's pepper, gorgonzola, something like that. Dip them in some nice hummus. Delicious. I'm getting hungry thinking about it. And snack on them. They're good plain too, but I like them better with dip. So let's turn around to the nutrition facts. Okay, so we have the nutrition facts. Let's see. About 6 servings per container, about 17 crackers or 30 grams. Amount per serving calories, 160. Total fat, 9 grams or 12% daily value. Saturated fat, 1 gram, 5% daily value. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 35 milligrams. Total carbohydrate, 17 grams. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. Total sugars, 2 grams. Includes 0 grams added sugars. Protein, 2 grams. Vitamin D, 0%. Calcium, 30 milligrams, 2%. Iron, 0.6 milligrams, 4%. Potassium, 110 milligrams, 2%. Ingredients here: yellow corn, corn oil and or sunflower oil. I'm thinking that's why I like them so much, because I love yellow corn tortilla chips. It has that nice yellow corn flavor. Sweet potato, flax seeds, black sesame seeds, chia seeds, sea salt. May contain traces of milk and soy. Distributed and sold exclusively by Trader Joe's in Monrovia, California. Store in a cool, dry place. And then there's the barcode there on the bottom. And then we have the sell-by date, March 18th, 2019. So plenty of time before these go bad. And they have the easy to close top. I always close it the wrong way, but the flap is supposed to go into here. You guys can see. So they store really nicely. These are great to have out if you're having like friends come over for dinner or whatever. You want to have them out on the snack table. With the holidays coming up, you could have these out on the table with dip. I feel like at least they're a little bit healthier than most potato chips or anything that would be fried. These are super delicious and are full of flavor. And like I said, I don't usually like sweet potatoes, but I love these crackers. They're really, really good. And they have another flavor, the 3-seed beet one, which I've tried. I actually made a video on that one too, if you guys want to learn a little bit more about that. And what's interesting too about that one is beets are another thing I don't like. Beets and sweet potato, they're like on my list of, you know, my dislikes as far as food goes. And that list is not very long. So it's like 2 things I really don't like, but I love the crackers because they're just so light and they're not too heavily flavored with the sweet potato or the beets, which is nice. Very versatile. This is the actual size, so they're pretty like bite-sized. They remind me of like the size, actually a little smaller than bite-sized tortilla chips. And they're really, really good. And I think that we could recycle this. I think it's recyclable cardboard, if I'm not mistaken. I just don't see it anywhere on here. So guys, if you're looking to pick up a really yummy snack that's somewhat healthy, try out the Trader Joe's 3-seed sweet potato crackers. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try them out and love them. Enjoy the flavor and the crunch. Thanks for watching.